Okay, so we move in. We actually moved to our first ever home here in Australia, and I wanted to film this video kasi ang dami nangyari. And it wasn't as smooth as you think. And yes, we talked with our grandparents about it.
Iba kasi yung buo ang pamilya, yung nagsasama-sama, iba talaga. Para sa future ng mga bata. Blessing sa inyo yun. Kaya hindi ko naman pwedeng pigilan. Wala naman ako may tulong. So para sa future ng mga bata, maluwag kong tanggapin na malayo na kayo.
Layo ng tasik ng kanin.
Mama, hindi na tapos ng kahit umiyak na nang umiyak. Ang masama tayo na naglulupasan yung nanay ko. Nagugasan ng kamay. Hindi daw matanggap eh.
Rent lang muna kami. Baka makahanap kami ng maganda. But we knew we wanted something we can build or we can buy for our own.
Wow! 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 Maganda! Maganda!
Si Kyle ang bumili niya, si Kyle.
Wow!
Sa'yo yan. Hayay. Talaga naman.
Congratulations! Congratulations! May bahay na sila. Kailan ang move-in?
So this is fun because there's no movers, there's no truck, it's just us. So buhat dito, buhat doon, one box and one item at the time. Literal, mano-mano kami naglilipat.
Hindi pa tayo, boss. Pero, paano to? Bubuhatin natin lahat. Uy! Uy, may trolley! Pwede na lagyan na lang dyan. Magic! Lalagay. Lalagay. Parang tayo nag-shopping ah. Ito ang mahirap. Paano natin ito bubuhatin? Ay nako, iba talaga pag nagsha-shopping ang tatay mo. Tatay ko. Lupit. Buhatin ba natin to? Nakapatong. Alright, on wheels. Tatay ko, alright. Iwan pa ng tatay ko yung susi ng bahay. Ito, ayun o, nabalik. Tapos ako dito, ayun lang. Ayun lang dito sa kama natin. Alright, so check muna po tayo ng ating on-the-go moving bahay. O, saan ang bibili natin? Ang tawag? Pegs. Pegs. $1 lang pala yun. Oh, boss, who do you wanna shout out? Alright. Meron pa akong tayo vacuum. Oh, thank you, kuya. May vacuum na tayo. Let's go.
Pagod. Sobrang pagod. Pero grabe. It was one of those days na kahit anong pawis, kahit anong hirap, alam mong sulit. You know the feeling na this is really happening. Lilipat na kami. May bahay na kami. During the time, we have an 11-year-old brother with us. We are worried about inspections, sudden changes, rental prices, diba? Mga makukulit na bata, nagde-drawing sa pader. Like, anytime pwede magbago ang mga terms. Or worse, paalisin kami, di ba? So instead, we save, we wait, and we prayed. Kahit sobrang tagal, kahit sa tingin mo hindi ka talaga makakaipon ng down payment.
May kasama po kami. Kasama namin si... Anong gagawin natin? Bibili tayo ng?
Fridge sa washing machine.
You know,
Brand new.
brand new. Phone service namin.
Dito na nagsimula ang lahat. Dumating na rin yung mga gamit. Washing machine, fridge, at iba't iba pa. Nakakatuwa kasi na habang binababa pa lang nila sa harap ng bahay, parang ang bigat na ng realidad. Literal at emotional. Like, wow, ito na talaga to.
Success ka eh. Bigla kang sumakses eh. Makikita mo sa imagine mo.
May sarili na kaming bahay. Dati nagsishare lang kami ng kitchen, nakikirent lang kami ng room with a lot of people inside. Pero ngayon may sarili na kaming fridge, may sarili na kaming laundry, may sarili na kaming bahay. Tapos syempre kailangan bumili ng gamit, mga basic gamit, diba?
All the way from there to there. So good luck.
Isa-isa namin binubuo yung mga kailangan sa araw-araw. Buti na lang, yung bahay, literal na sa tapat lang ng mall. After that, linis agad. Walis, punas, and vacuum. Hiram ng vacuum. Walang kasosyalan, walang shortcut, pero ganun talaga. If you want to take care of something, kailangan mong trabahuin, di ba? At para sa amin, kahit simpleng linis, malaki nang ibig sabihin. Para sa pagdating ni Mother and the Bunso, pati ng pangalawa namin, hindi na nila kailangan pa mag-adjust. Tapos, yung pinaka-importante ngayon is, for sure, internet. Meron na silang mabilis na internet connections at may entertainment pa sila. May contact sa pamilya kahit nasa abroad ba yung iba.
Alright, so just anything, just introduce yourself, Mike.
Hi, I'm Joseph Gardner from Ray White Urban Springs.
Hello, this is Wana from Ray White. So congratulations on your purchase. You've got a beautiful home here.
I'm here with Kyle just for his final walkthrough of this beautiful home that he's just purchased.
So just a little bit of history. The property was built in 1998. The previous owners, they owned it for about 15 years, so it was in their family for a long time. I believe actually one of their parents lived here for quite some time. Obviously it's very handy to the shops. A little bit of features about the property. It's a beautiful street front villa across the road from Belmont Forum and the cinemas. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. We've actually got 2 toilets as well. We've got 1 carport. We've got space to park another car. Air conditioning in the living area. You've got a nice big open plan kitchen and dining, and then a separate front living area. And then also some lovely outdoor space at the back in case you have guests, as well as a storeroom. As far as I'm aware, no one has died in the house.
Alright, thank you.
He'll no doubt give you a short video tour shortly. There you go.
So here's it, our small Aussie home. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilets, and 1 garage. But for us, it's the whole world. For now, this is the start of what we've been praying for. Ang bunga ng aming mga panata.
Makamarinig sa video. Kunya, lapitan ko lang. Sabihin mo ikaw na lang mag
Ako, ma'am. Ito talaga yung pagpanak sa video. Mami, dahil yung dala. Eh, galing ako probinsya. Eh, bakit ba? Sabi ni Karubin, mabuti wala ka pa dalang mga saging.
Walang saging, walang langka.
Mapapagigyan ko lang itong bigla. Ano na yung namin?
Lagyan mo lang dyan.
Hindi na ba nakita namin yung ano? Nakita namin yung bagay.
Yakap tatlo. Feeling.
Hindi mo makikita mo sa net.
Feeling. Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye, ingat kayo.
Ingat, Chrissy. Bye-bye.
Sa taas ako eh. Para diba? Hindi na tayo pumasok.
Sa'yo mo. Mami, puro airplane. Airplane to. Ay, hindi pala yung airplane. Dito pala yung airplane. Medyo mali ka lang. Let's make a video. My friend,
Our house.
Hindi yan pink sa'yo.
We're here in our house. There's a pizza hut.
Anytime fit ka sa amin. Hindi ka na pwedeng hindi umabsent.
Hello everyone! Ngayong morning, maggagawa kami ni Kuya ng flat kasi ililipat namin yung mga tomato, yung lettuce at saka yung pechay na ipinula namin dun sa backyard namin. So, gagawa kami ng flat para ililipat na po namin. Yung mga natirang quarter ng kama namin, gagamitin namin yung flat para hindi lalagpas yung lupa. Ito po ang project namin sa ELC na gulayan sa Bacalar. Kasi po dito sa Australia talaga ako.
Nilinis ko yung halaman sa tapat ng bahay namin. Okay. Ako malinis. Tama yung ginagawa ko yan.
Yung stem lang. Yan, ganyan lang.
Para malinis na siya.
Ang lakas pa ng kunting na yan eh. Hirapan pa akong magupit-lupit dito.
Ito ang literal na gulayan sa bakuran. Sa backyard natin. Yung mga gulay. Para mapakinabangan natin.
Alam naming hindi ito forever house. Pero for now, ito muna. Ito yung first step. And that's what matters. Hindi perfect pero sapat. Hindi malaki pero may laman, pagmamahal, panalangin at paghahanda. We're grateful. Hindi lang dahil may bahay na kami, pero dahil binigyan kami ng chance to build something from the scratch. And little by little, we're turning this into home.
So welcome to Fulham Street, our little piece in Australia. Of course, if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and join us in our journey. because this is just the beginning.